everybody! Today we will find out about a company from the local area, the Far Eastern University Incorporated, or also known as FEU, which is one of the leading private universities here in the Philippines. We decided to tell you not about a food network or any traditional retail company that I buy from daily, nor a drugstore where drugs and other necessary goods for life are being sold. We choose to tell you about a university. Not a typical business, of course, but if you think other way on a second thought, these days the educational sphere is just like any other. But except they create goods and services, and those are students. The company Far Eastern University Incorporated is a hybrid of tradition and innovation. It lives like an educational institution and has the status of a listed corporation on the stock market of the Philippines.
Yes, EU provides services in particular education and has established itself when since inception in 1928. The fact that distinguishes it is that it combines academic excellence with corporate governance, that learning and doing business can coexist. Let's start with the most recent statement of comprehensive income. Based on May 2025 data, FEU registered 680.90 million pesos with net income growth at negative 10.23% or a negative 10.23% compared to the prior year on the revenue side. The university registered sales or revenue at 1.82 billion pesos at the growth rate of only 4.87%.
This screenshot clearly shows that the university's income comes from tuition, enrollment services, and other school business. It is reasonable to assume that the expenses are the mentioned faculty, academic facilities, scholarships, and admin, just like at any other school. So, as you can see, even though it is educational, its financial statement is most likely similar to that of any other business. The income is in the form of incoming payments from students. The costs include keeping the university functional.
Now, to answer the guide questions. First, the type of financial statement is a statement of comprehensive income. It is used in order to present the overall performance of the company during the period. Second, the ingredients are the income and the expenses. This income is derived from tuition fees and services. The expenses involve the operation, salaries, and facilities. The amusing part is FEU is actually showcasing that education is not just about acquiring understanding. It's also about upholding the sustainability and viability of a particular educational institution.
So that is our presentation about Far Eastern University Incorporated. It is a university where we are not just shaping futures in the classroom, but also making waves in the stock market. Thank you, and I hope now you can write almost anything, including how a school writes its story in financial statements. Bye bye.